Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Majority of people consider any product manufactured by China as a non-reliable or not of good quality. But sometimes we can change this perception when they too make something which is powerful enough to prove its performance and reliability. I would be speaking about one such product in this particular video, which is being manufactured by China jointly with Pakistan. The product which I'm talking about here is the JF-17 Thunder Block 3 fighter. The JF-17 Block 3 is the fourth variant which came for this particular fighter in a chronological order. The first variant was JF-17A Block 1, which was followed by JF-17A Block 2, JF-17B Block 2, and now JF-17A Block 3. The variants with A suffixed are single seat variants, whereas the variants with B suffixed are dual seat variant. These JF-17 Thunder fighters are fourth generation multi-role combat aircraft which is developed jointly by the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex and Chengdu Aircraft Corporation of China. The JF-17 Thunder Block 3 fighter took its maiden flight during December 2020 in China's southern west province. The JF-17 Block 3 is considered the most advanced fighter built jointly by China and Pakistan. These fighters, in addition to the features which were available in Block 2 variants, includes many more enhancements and systems. So let us see quickly what makes us think that JF-17 Block 3 is one of the best fighters built jointly by China and Pakistan. The JF-17 Block 3 is said to be coming with a new active electronically scanned array radar and other electronic equipment which will boost its detection capabilities. These fighters will be fitted with a new wide-angle holographic head-up display and a new imaging infrared-based missile approach warning system. The JF-17 Block 3 will also use more composite materials so that the overall weight of the fighter is reduced, which would make it a truly lightweight fighter. The KLJ-7A active electronically scanned array, which is air-cooled radar, will help these Block 3 fighters to simultaneously track 15 targets and engage 4 of them successfully. Not only that, these fighters are said to be equipped with a 3-axis digital fly-by-wire flight control system. These fighters will be powered using an increased thrust and a better thrust-to-weight ratio engine. Even though it is not officially declared which engine would be powering these fighters, but it is said that an advanced WS-13 turbofan engine which is currently in development will replace the Klimov RD-93 engines. The JF-17 Block 3 can be equipped with a variety of air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles. It can also carry multiple anti-ship missile variants, including several unguided and guided bombs. For any fighter, having a variety of options in missiles and bombs makes it a true combat fighter. The JF-17 Block 3 fighters would be equipped with PL-15 radar-guided beyond visual range missile and PL-10 infrared homing short-range air-to-air missiles. And these missiles will significantly enhance the air defense capability of these JF-17 fighters. As per the defense sources, Pakistan Air Force has placed an order for 50 JF-17 Block 3 fighters, which is expected to be delivered starting from 2022 tentatively. As per many sources, it is said that JF-17 Block 3 will be equipped with all latest systems and gadgets like an advanced targeting pod, a countermeasure chaff and flares, and dual ejector racks. So let's hope these JF-17 Block 3 fighters enters production in bulk order and enhance Pakistan's fleet and also get exported to other countries as well. Hope Argentina again starts showing interest in procuring these JF-17 Block 3 fighters, which are easy for them to maintain and repair. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.